welcome to Local 46 and its brand new app. I want to congratulate you for being one of the first to be on our app, which is so important and vital for the continuing success of our membership. No, I am not your father, but we have very important things to discuss. Our union is under attack. We're under attack from the mayor's office, we're under attack from Rebney, and we're under attack from every contractor and developer who doesn't care about workers and at the same time wants to line their own pockets. Over the upcoming months, I and your leadership at Local 46 will be coming to you with information concerning changes, rallies, and a whole host of information that you can't get anywhere else. Our local is very important to us, as it's important to you whether you know it or not. Our local sets the wage, our local sets the conditions that you work under. But at the same time, our non-union market in New York City has grown to the point where your livelihoods are in peril. This information over the course of the next few months and years will guide you and help us better communicate to the things that are happening within our local union and in the world around us. I want to thank you again for joining us. This is not going to be a 1-hour journey or a 2.5-hour journey. This is going to be a journey for you to recognize how important it is to keep union construction vital for the middle class and our union. God bless you. Have a great day, and may the force be with you.